This is a unique space. I mean, I talk about it as a physical space, but it's also a change in mentality. Especially with our students here, we're trying to promote that entrepreneurial mindset, giving students the opportunity to see themselves as people that can change the world.
Hi, my name is Tom. I'm with the University of Scranton, and this is
The Idea Center is a makerspace here at the university. It can support learning here on campus, and it can also be community facing, so members of our community have access to this space to get trained on specific equipment. We have some amazing equipment. We have things like 3D printers, laser engravers, we have a graphics area, we have a fully soundproof professional podcast studio. So I like to talk about the mission as we're trying to move people from consumers to creators. And my favorite endeavor is the K-12 outreach.
Hello there!
it's going to start engraving at the bottom and then work its way up. Isn't that neat?
Today we had a field trip in here from Dunmore Elementary Center, and those students were able to go through an entrepreneurial challenge. They were able to work in teams. They were coached on how to follow a design process to create a business.
Wow, space jump. So, is it space themed?
Not only are they creating a business, but they're creating branding and logos for that business. They're learning about things like target customers. They're learning about teamwork in general, and they get to create a product at the end. They also get to pitch their idea. So it's sort of like a Shark Tank style pitch where they go into our podcast studio as a team and sell their business to the world. And they get really excited about that. They have the professional microphones, the cameras are on, and yeah, they have a lot of fun with it. To see the students in here engaged and obviously excited about learning. Some of them wrote more than 2 pages worth of a pitch outline. And these are third graders, and it's not easy to get third graders to do that. And sometimes it really does take stepping away from that typical environment, and that's what we offer here. We're trying to excite and encourage creativity in any way possible, really. It's certainly something much larger. I see the Idea Center as a wonderful extension of the University of Scranton's Jesuit values. We are trying to promote personal growth. We are encouraging people to challenge themselves, and we're cultivating skills and talents. And then we're asking, well, how can you help others with those skills and talents? And that's the main goal, is trying to uplift our communities and our society as a whole by starting with children.